Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Children, I have shared a revision worksheet in your class groups. Please attempt it, and we will be discussing the answers for the same worksheet at 8:15. Till that time, you have the time to solve it in your notebooks, fair notebook, or revision notebooks, or rough notebooks. You have to write only the answers, put the question numbers correctly, write down only the answers, and keep this worksheet safely somewhere in your phone or laptop. Take a screenshot and keep it safely. Got it? Now, please answer. I want everybody to write the answers, only answers with correct question numbers. You have time till 8:15. At 8:15, we'll start discussing the answers.
Ma'am, what are you doing?
Beta, we are revising. We are revising the English literature syllabus. So I have shared a worksheet with you. You have to write only the answers. I am giving you time till 8:15. After that, we'll start discussing and you will give marks to yourself. Okay? I know you people are very, very honest. So you will give marks to yourself. Now, honestly, try to attempt the worksheet. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
चलिए हूँ वहां से एक ही रहूंगा
Hurry up, children. Only answers till 8:15. 8:15 we'll start. Aradhya, bacha, you can switch off your video, have your breakfast, and move on to your work. Aradhya, beta, we don't eat in the class. You can turn off your video, have your breakfast nicely. Don't rush with your breakfast.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Anmol.
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Beta, I have shared a revision worksheet in the class group. You have to write only answers, and at 8:50,
Ma'am,
we will start discussing the answers.
there are only three questions, 7, 8, and 9.
What, Samarth?
Ma'am, there are only three questions.
Beta, there is a reference to context also where I've given a line and I've asked questions. Then there are MCQs and then there are answer the following questions.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
Bachche.
can you share it on chat box?
I
Okay.
must.
Just a second.
Eat at home again. Yes, full cut. Why did he bring the
Ma'am,
full
we
cut?
have to write only answers.
Only answers.
सही है Text based on questions. Text. Text based question. Text. Was here. What do we have to do?
Beta, I have shared a revision worksheet. Solve it. You don't have to write the questions, just write the answers.
Ma'am, in revision notebook we have to do. Ma'am,
Beta, now what will you do with your fair notebooks? If you have pages in the fair notebooks, do it in the fair, or you do it in your revision, or you do it in your rough. You have three choices.
okay, ma'am. Mm. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me,
yes,
ma'am.
yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, Minda, take the correct answer. In the fourth one, there is grandfather tells the stories to Dadlin because, but this chapter is not
Wait.
coming in
So please don't
annual.
attempt, don't attempt, don't attempt the questions from the chapter that we have not done. I just shared a worksheet. Don't.
Ma'am, but I have read that chapter, so can I
No,
do?
you can do it, but we'll not be discussing.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, if we take the correct option, we have to write the full sentence or only the A, B, C or like this.
Write at least the correct option, full option. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
3 more minutes and then we'll start discussing.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anmol.
But I was running around. Ma'am, what is the meaning of used bags?
What is the meaning of used bags? Better the bags which are used, which you have already used for something, for putting something, which are not new.
Ma'am, it is plastic bags or clothes bags?
Nahi, bacha, here, which question are you referring to?
Ma'am, third, ma'am, ma'am, in question 1, second, there is more in the city. Third question, C1. Ma'am, I know it. Ma'am, I know it. This one, third one.
Beta, there's more in the city. So which bags are referred to here? The cloth bags or the plastic bags?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. 1 more minute and we'll start discussing.
Now I want the last answer of the answer in 20 to 25 words.
Hurry up, hurry up.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of eager?
When you are so desperate to do something, suppose it is your birthday, and the party is over, so you're so eager to open the birthday gifts. That is eager. When you cannot wait
Okay.
anymore.
Okay, ma'am.
Let's discuss. Now I must be quick, he thought. He ran home again and brought back his pull cart. Who is he and where was he? Yes, Samarth.
Ma'am, he is annoying. He was on the beach.
Beta, when you are writing who is he, so you will write down he in quotes refers to Noi. Okay. And he's on the beach. Yes. He was on the beach, not is. Okay. Next we have, why did he bring the pull cart?
Ma'am, I know.
No, wait, I want somebody else. Ariket. Why did he bring the pull cart?
He bring the pull cart to bring the baby whale at home.
Okay, now it will not be bring, it will be brought. He brought the pull cart to carry the baby whale to his home. Fine. Or you can also add on, since the baby whale was too heavy for Noe to pick up, that is why he brought a pull cart to carry it home. Fine. Why did he want to be quick? Anmol has already, no, Anmol, yes.
Ma'am, he want to be quick as the whale cannot survive on the land for much time.
Fine, because the whale cannot survive in a dry condition for a long time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wrote one thing. Ma'am, instead, ma'am, I wrote he needed to be quick because the baby whale would die if he left it just like that for a long time.
That is also correct. But here you will not write he. You will not start your answer with the pronoun. You will start with Noi wanted to be quick. Okay. Next question. There's more in the city. Who said this and what are they speaking about?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Adya,
Can
yes,
I
Bacha.
tell?
Bacha, it is not can I, it is may I. And I want
Ma'am, may
Adya to answer, please.
Ashutosh's grandma said these words to tell about that
Yeah.
plastic bags are used more in cities than in the villages.
Okay. Next is why was the thing more in the city? Who will answer? Yes, Kunj.
The thing was more in the city because the people who lived in the cities used it more than the villagers.
Okay, fine. That's correct. How did the used bags affect the surroundings? Who will answer? Tanshveer, will you try? Yes, Tanshveer, answer.
Plastic. And what was the question?
How did the used bags affect the surrounding?
Used bags affected the surroundings by not getting mixed with the soil and made an unclean environment that was hard to walk by.
Okay, fine. Little grammatical mistakes, otherwise the answer is correct. Next, we move on to the multiple choice questions. The owl decides. Anybody else who wants to attempt the third answer? Anybody has written something else? Or it is all the same, similar answer? Okay, let's move on to multiple choice questions. The owl decides to watch the fireworks at night, although he is afraid of dark. Which quality of Plop is not true? He is eager to go out in the dark and show the boy that he is not afraid. He is eager to try out new things to better himself. He is ready to listen to good things others say. Which is not true? I want Shreya to answer.
Option C. He is ready to listen to the good things others say.
It is not true about Plop. Arav Singh. Arav Singh, answer. Yes, Arav, I lost the signal in between. Arav, please answer.
B. B1. B1.
No, that is also incorrect. Kunj.
Ma'am, option A.
Yes, option A is not correct about Plop. It is not written which is correct. It is not true. Please read the question carefully. Next question is the market is full of candy wrapped in rainbows of plastic. What does rainbows of plastic mean? Rainbow colored plastic bags, a reflection of the rainbow on the plastic bags in various colors that look as colorful as a rainbow. Ariket.
Rainbow colored plastic bags.
Anybody else with a different answer? Yes, Anmol.
Ma'am, plastic bags in various colors that look as color as a rainbow.
Good. Plastic bags in various colors that look as colorful as a rainbow. Next question. Picking up my precious typewriter, I stumbled into the front room. Why does the speaker say precious typewriter? The typewriter was valuable to him as he was a writer. The typewriter was a very expensive one. The typewriter was made up of very costly material. Yes, Arav Singh.
C1, last one. The
Anybody
typewriter
else?
was
Anybody else? Shreyansh, will you try, bache? Tick the correct answer, the third one.
Yes. Third one. Third. The typewriter was very valuable to him as he was a typewriter.
Good. The typewriter was valuable to him as he was a writer. Then is answer the following questions. What efforts did Noi take to make the whale comfortable?
But fourth one is left.
Beta, fourth one is not there in your syllabus, that chapter. Yes, Kunj.
Noi did efforts like pouring cold water on the whale, bringing it to home and keeping it in the bathtub filled with water, telling it stories, sneaking in supper for it, etc., to make it feel comfortable.
Very good, Kunj. Next question. What is the connection between... No, the second again will not be doing. Third. Does the speaker want to be friends with the shooting star? Suyash, will you try, bache? Does the speaker want to be friends with the shooting star?
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
can I turn, please?
Wait.
Ma'am, I want to try it.
I'll give you a chance.
Ma'am,
Okay.
speak to friend
Okay,
with
bacha, listen. When I have already taken a name, please let that child answer. Once that child has finished, then you can raise your hand that, ma'am, I also want to try. Okay? Don't interrupt in between. Don't unmute yourself. Yes, Suyash.
Yes, ma'am, the speaker want to be the friend with the shooting star.
Want आएगा बच्चे? Will it be want? It is does.
Ma'am.
It is does. So it will be yes, the speaker wants to be friends with the shooting star. And how do we know that?
Ma'am, we know that in the story that the shooting star was
Okay, thank you, Suyash. Now I want somebody else to add on to this answer. Now
can I try?
it is not can I.
Can I try?
Okay,
May I
Tanshveer,
try?
try. Tanshveer, try.
Yes, the speaker wants to be like a shooting star. She wonders about the beauty and action of the star and desires to be its friend. She wants to express the desire to fly out the night sky.
Okay, some mistakes, but fine. Who else? Okay, Kunj.
Yes, the speaker wants to be friends with the shooting star as she marvels at the star's beauty and thinks that it is happy and adventurous.
Good. Okay, children, please listen to the answers very, very carefully. Kunj, you have written it beautifully. Very good. Shreyansh is busy playing.
Thank you.
Okay. These questions are not there, but still we have time, so I'm asking you some more. How was the little boy responsible in preparing plop to come out in the night? Think before you answer. How was the little boy responsible in preparing plop to come out in the night? Vansh, will you try? You're still feeling sleepy. Beta, the question is, how did the little boy ने ऐसा क्या किया that plop was ready to come out in the night? At least a bit. Dishita, will you try, bache?
Ma'am, I want to try.
Okay, so you're
I am thinking.
You're thinking. Ishika, will you
Ma'am,
try?
fireworks. Ma'am, I am also
Thinking.
thinking.
So everybody got a good
Ma'am,
statement to
fireworks.
say. Yes, Suyash.
Ma'am, fireworks.
What fireworks, bacha? It is not a one-word answer. You never give a one-word answer. Yes, Ariket.
Then it is the little boy was responsible for for taking Plop at night because they were having fireworks that night.
Now listen to the answer very carefully. This is how, now since the word limit is given, so we have to write a long answer. So now listen carefully.
Can I tell?
Compelled or motivated by his mother, the baby owl jumped from the tree in front of the boy and they soon started talking. The boy explained to the owl that what fireworks were and how beautiful they looked in the night. The way the boy explained about the fireworks impressed the owl, and for the first time, he did not mind being in the dark to see the fireworks. Okay. Your next question is, what was Aishatu's dream? And now Kunj has also started playing, changing the wallpapers again and again. Okay. Yes, Kunj, answer.
Aishu's dream was to make her village clean again and plastic bag free because the plastic bags
You will
created
not
an
say,
unclean
no,
environment.
you will not write because here. That is an expert. What problem did she face and how did she keep trying to make her dream come true? Children, see, now in this one question, if you read that question carefully, it is, what was Aishatu's dream? What problems did she face? And how did she keep trying to make her dream come true? So in one question there are three questions. So whenever a question is given to you, always read the question very, very carefully, scan it properly, then see how many questions have been asked, sub questions. Okay, beta, these questions are not there in the worksheet that I have posted. These are the extras that I'm asking. Fine. Yes. Now tell me what problems and how did she manage to overcome them? Anmol.
Aishu's dream was to make the city